Got 4 bras and they all that, we call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she.
Alright, so here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need one of these, a double din kit. Got this off eBay for £105. Comes with that, very nicely wrapped up. I was quite impressed by that. That's the double din fascia and the harnesses you're gonna need. The harness adapters you're gonna need. And I got one of these, a 3G dongle. Explain that a bit later. And then you're gonna need the main event, the head unit. This is an Xtrons TM100L. I don't know what the L stands for, but yeah, this is the version I got. And a quick unboxing. What you get in the box. So right on top is the manual. I'm not gonna look in that. And then right on top, you have the 10.1 inch screen. Just move that out of the way. And then you have all the bits that you're gonna need: harnesses, brackets, GPS antenna, and then the head unit itself. But first, let's have a closer look at this screen. Look at that. I love how the glass goes all the way to the edges and just rolls off the sides. That's very nice. Makes it feel very premium. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. And it's not too heavy. One thing you notice about it is that it's quite wide, unlike the older version, which let me grab that. And there's the older version. As you can see, this is wider and this one is a bit taller. This is more 16:9, and I think this is probably a wider aspect ratio. At least it looks like it. This feels a lot more premium than this. This feels cheap. Look at that edge. No such thing on here. Just rolls off the edge like a very premium tablet. It just looks nicer. Putting it together is easy. This just slides onto that, and this plugs into that. Very simple, which means you can also take it out if you want to leave your car and you don't want to have any issues with theft. You can just take this right out quite easily. Tighten down the Wi-Fi antenna. So you have some USBs, go there. You get two USB slots. This goes here. There. You have all these outputs. Just absolutely insane. And then you have another USB port here. I'm guessing this is the one you plug the dongle into. You have this here. Like so. You have your GPS module, which goes there. So 2 USB ports. I'll be using these to power I'll be using one of these to power my dash cam. I'm not sure I'll be using any of these for charging because my car has USB ports and a 12 volts outlet in the center console. This USB port I think I'll be using for the dongle. So it works to the work with the dongle, or do you have to use a specific one for it? I'm not sure if you have to use a specific one for the dongle or either is fine. I guess I have to try and see which one actually works. Yeah, now this will just be going into one of these, like so. Right, and now the harnesses from the kit, the harness adapters from the kit. This even comes with an instruction manual. This is for the steering wheel control. Shows you how to set the clock after. Okay, let's see here. Alright, so here we are. If you want to know how to take the head unit out, I've got a video on that. So, pardon the rude intro. God damn. Anyway, so once you have the head unit out, there's some things you're gonna need from the head unit. You're gonna need the hazards. You're gonna take that out, and you're gonna need the vents. I'll take that out. You just take out those screws there, and then you just transfer that to that one, and you put that in there. Should be easy. Should be just plug and play. So let's see how we get on. Got it all. I've got everything plugged in that I can see that actually plugs in. Just make sure this works. That's what's not plugged in. The hazards. Alright, it is installed now. I'm just downloading my offline maps at the moment. I wasn't able to get the steering wheel controls to work. I'm pretty sure I wired it up properly. Maybe it's an issue with the head unit, or maybe I don't know what it is. Either way, I've resorted back to my little solution here, my Bluetooth receiver, so I can just use this for my controls. Play, pause, skip, previous, whatever. Also take calls with that, so I'm not too mad at the moment. The head unit itself, yeah, looks good. Screen is bright, looks really nice actually. It's quite thin, so it's a lot smaller than the other head unit was. My old head unit was. Yeah, the screen is bright, it looks crisp, very nice. So far I've not had any performance issues. Obviously I only just started using the damn thing, but yeah, let me know if you guys want some kind of review on the head unit. The kit though, the double din fascia fitment is not the best, as you can see, but I'll live. I'm not too mad. So yeah, so far I'm happy with it. The sound quality is a lot better than the stock system, much louder too. Let's see if I can get something on, a little trial. Okay, very nice. Alright, let me know. Yeah, here it is. You can tilt it forward, do it backwards. This is as much as I'm going to tilt down because the unit is so recessed into the fascia, so there's that. Hey babe, how's it going? I'm pretty much done now. Just doing a quick video, just bottling things up. But pretty much done. See you in a bit. Bye. That was totally unplanned, but works great. Alright. Okay, the reason why I have this dongle here and why I've plugged into the head unit is so the head unit always has data. Now what this means is that the head unit could act as a makeshift car tracker. So what I do is download Android device manager. Oh, it's not called. Find my device, install that. Now what this will do, right, now what this will do, device located, will allow me to track the car. Allow me to track the car based. Allow me to track the car with my phone or online or whatever, just using device manager, which is pretty sweet. Show you that now. Find my device. There, found the car. The car's T8. That easy and very cheap as well. So I'm only paying like £5 a month on a rolling contract for this, and I get a gig of internet, a gig of data, and that should be more than enough. So yeah,